Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be doing our last installment of our marketing video set. So I have logged into Metricool and this is kind of what it looks like. So when you go into Metricool, you'll obviously need to set up your platforms that you are wanting to do. And for me, I'm doing Pinterest and TikTok, and then I'm uploading on YouTube separately. So once you log in, I'm going to go over to planning. And this is what your calendar will look like. I have had, a post here or there published, but what I really want to show you is how to do posts. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Wednesday. I'm going to add my description, video, all that stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my video. So I definitely want Pinterest and TikTok, so I'm going to just click on this TikTok and it will automatically add that. If I don't want TikTok, I can unclick it. It's as simple as that. If I want TikTok and not Pinterest, it's as easy as a click of the button. So down here we have this little image button right here, and I'm going to go ahead and click add video. And I'm going to drag this from my computer, and I have my stuff in my August social media folder, so I have all my stuff organized. So for my August Teachers on TV, I'm going to do my first one. I'm going to click upload. And then what you need to do is you need to add your presets. So for Pinterest, you will need title, what board you want to add it to, and a link. So for me, what I like to do is I have everything all typed out in a document. So all I have to do is copy and paste everything, and this makes this process so much easier. So what I will do is I will put in the title, I will put it to my back to school board, and I will copy the link. And you can always go back in there and edit. I'm going to add my TikTok presets. You can disable comments, disable duet, disable stitch, which I'm fine with whatever that stuff is. And then I will literally just copy and paste this. This actually might be a little too long. Nope, it's not. It's just the right length. And then I add my hashtags in. I'm not sure if this helps a whole lot, but that's what I do. And that is easy. So I have it set for August 9th at, I like to do it more around 7 is kind of what I think, 7 o'clock a.m. I think like teachers kind of get to school, they might be scrolling through their phones, and then I will click save. And what's nice is you can see that it is on the schedule. Now say, you get in here and you want to switch this post from Wednesday to Thursday. All you have to do is you can drag and drop it, and you can drag and drop it to whatever time you want it to be. It is literally that simple. But I'm going to go ahead and put this back in, and I will put it at 7 a.m. So what you're going to end up doing is you're going to end up doing this with all your posts. I will show you again on Thursday. I have my Pinterest, TikTok. I will upload a video. This is for a new post. And I'm going to go to my August social media. I have a September 11th resource that I'm going to start marketing. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in there and copy and paste everything. And all you need to do is you need to have how many ever content that you want for a week. For me, I do a whole full week content. It's super easy. And then I focus on just doing that 1 week. So let's see. I will put this on my virtual field trip. I need my link actually. My my link, my description, and I will grab my hashtags. Now, I am going to see how this goes for a year. If I really like it, I actually think I'm going to upgrade it to the premium. But I'm just kind of going to commit to it for 1 year and see how that goes. But I'm really wanting to do the premium, but I'm trying to keep my expenses starting off as low as possible. So that is something that I am wanting to do, because with premium, you can do hashtag searches, and to get premium searches, you have to upgrade. But yeah, that is something that I would love to do. So, so far I'm really happy with it. And then what I will do is I'll make sure I schedule this for the 10th. I like it at 7 in the morning. And then I will click save. And it's still uploading my files. And once that is uploaded, I will continue on. So I will do this for the whole week. Now, you are going to do this. Say you want to do this for the next week, which is what I will do. What I will do is I will go over to duplicate. It will make a copy. And as you can see, this makes it look like I have two of the same ones on the same day. So I will go into one. I will click on the calendar, and then I will put it at one day for next week. Let's say Sunday, and I like to do it a little bit later on Sunday. And on Sundays I don't post on TikTok, just because I have only so many posts per month. So it's like I can do Pinterest every day and then TikTok for like the weekdays or something like that. And then what I will do is I'll remove this video. I will go in, add a video, and then I will do my I'll go into my August social media. I will do my second video that I created. It's uploading, and then I will click save. And then if I go over to next week, we can see that on Sunday I have that. But say I do this and I want to actually post it on Tuesday, all you have to do is drag and drop it, which I absolutely love that feature. So that is simply how you go in and you create your social media posts for your Teachers Pay Teachers products. This by far is the easiest platform that schedules things that I have come across that is free. As you can see, it tells me I've used 3 out of my 50 posts available on my current plan. Yeah, so I mean, it's so easy to do. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know below if you're going to be doing this and what platforms you are going to be posting on. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next week.